Before starting with the review of today's motorcycle, let me introduce the heroes Sri Mahima Motors, which are the authorized dealers of Hero motorcycle located in Bangalore off Magdi Road, Hegnalli Cross, Sunkutkatte. They are providing good offers for the new BS6 motorcycles. So let us go inside and make a review of today's motorcycle. So today's motorcycle is Hero Glamour 125 BS6 edition, equipped with i3S Smart technology and Xsense technology. I will be explaining the specifications and features of this motorcycle in this video. So before starting with the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Check out the description box for more details about the showroom. Let me start with the engine first. The engine has got two-tone color, that is the greyish silver and the black finish. Equipped with a 125cc single cylinder air cooled engine that produces a maximum power of 10.87 PS at 7500 rpm and a maximum torque of 10.67 Nm at 6000 rpm. You can find the catalytic converter at the exhaust with a covering. This is the brake pedal. Thermal sensor on the cylinder block. Fuel injector on the throttle body. You can find the oxygen sensor at the exhaust port. Multi-disc wet clutch is present in this engine. Here is the kickshaft. This is the left profile of the engine. It has 5-speed manual transmission gearbox. Here you can find the charcoal canister. Metal chain cover is replaced by a fiber plastic cover which reduces the weight of the motorcycle. Sari guard has a paint finish of matte black. Let me move on to the wheels. In the front it has got 17-inch alloy wheels with tubeless tires of size 80/100. So these are 18-inch. Have an option of 240 mm disc brake in the front, no ABS. The front suspension has telescopic type hydraulic shock absorbers with the reflectors. With the Hero's integrated braking system. The rear wheel has tubeless tires of size 100/80. Again these are 18-inch alloy wheels with drum brakes. The rear suspension has 5-step adjustable spring-loaded hydraulic suspension. Looking into the dimensions, the motorcycle has a ground clearance of 180 mm with an overall length of 2051 mm. The width is 720 mm and the height is 1074 mm with a wheelbase of 1273 mm. It comes with a single piece of comfortable seat. The fuel tank capacity of this motorcycle is 10 liters. The curb weight of the motorcycle is 122 kg for drum and 123 kg for disc variant. The instrument cluster has analog speedometer with digital odometer and trip meter with i3S indicator, engine check light and other normal lights. Looking into the electricals, in the front you have 35 watts halogen headlamp. The indicators are also halogen. In the rear, LED tail lamp is present with halogen indicators. The tail light signifies the symbol of H. The ex-showroom price of this motorcycle in Bangalore is 71,580 rupees for drum variant and 75,080 rupees for the disc variant.